So the next numerical, for the cascaded amplifier shown in the figure, determine the output voltage V0. So first we need to identify the circuit. The given circuit is non-inverting operational amplifier because the input is applied to the non-inverting terminal. And the second circuit is the inverting operational amplifier. So what is a cascaded amplifier is the output of one stage acts as the input for the next stage. So these two are connected in series. So the cascaded. The first circuit is the non-inverting operational amplifier, and the second circuit is the inverting operational amplifier. So first we know that the gain of the first stage, that is the non-inverting amplifier, is given by AF1 is equal to 1 plus RF by R1. That is 1 plus, given the feedback resistance is 10K divided by the R1 resistance is 1 into 10 to the power of 3. So which is equal to 11. Similarly, the gain of the second stage is AF2. That is the inverting operational amplifier. That is minus RF by R1. The RF resistance feedback is 2.2 kilo ohm, that is 2.2 into 10 to the power of 3 by the R1 is 1 kilo ohm. So the output, the gain is minus 2.2. Then the output voltage is given by V0 is equal to AF into VI. The AF is the overall voltage gain. The overall voltage gain AF is equal to the product of AF1 into AF2. That is 11 into minus 2.2. So the gain is minus 24.2. So to find the V0 is equal to AF into VI. So that is, so the value of AF is minus 24.2 into the input is given 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10. So the output voltage is minus 242 millivolts. The next numerical, determine the output equation and find out the relation between RF and R. So here we need to identify the circuit. Since the three inputs are applied to the non-inverting terminal, it is a non-inverting summer circuit. So therefore, let us consider the voltage at point B. This is the point B and this is point A is VB, and VB is the input voltage to the op amp. Therefore, under this condition, the circuit behaves like non-inverting amplifier whose output voltage is V0 is equal to 1 plus RF by R into VB. Applying KCL, the Kirchhoff's current law at node B. VB minus V1 by R plus VB minus V2 by R plus VB minus V3 by R, that is equal to 0. So let us take the common term, that is VB into 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R, that is equal to V1 by R plus V2 by R plus V3 by R. So the next step is on simplification. We will get the equation is 3 by R VB is equal to 1 by R V1 plus V2 plus V3. So therefore, we can write VB is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 divided by 3. Therefore, we know that the output expression is V naught is equal to 1 plus RF by R into VB. So now substitute the value of VB in this equation. We will get so we can rewrite this equation as V1 plus V2 plus V3 that is equal to 1 plus RF by R into V1 plus V2 plus V3 by 3. So which is equal to 1 is equal to 1 plus RF by R into 1 by 3. So therefore 1 plus RF by R is equal to 3. Therefore RF by R is equal to 2, which implies that RF is equal to 2R. Next, let us consider the next numerical. Given the gain of an operational amplifier is 8, determine the value of the resistance RF. So since given here, the gain is positive, that is 8. Since the gain is positive, we are going to draw the circuit of the non-inverting operational amplifier. So as we know that the gain for the non-inverting operational amplifier is given by AF is equal to 1 plus RF by R1. So given the value of gain is AF is equal to 8 and here both the values are unknown. So here we given AF. So we are going to calculate the value of RF. So let us assume that R1 is equal to, if they are not given, so assume the value of R1 from 1K to 10K. So now let us assume the value of R1. So let us assume the value of R1 as 12 kilo ohm. So therefore, AF is 1 plus RF by R1. If R1 is not given, always it should be less than the feedback resistance, because if you choose RF as 1 and R1 as 1, the gain is double, that is 2. So therefore, if R1 is not given, okay, so assume the value of R1, it should be the less than the feedback resistance, that is AF is equal to 1 plus RF by R1. Therefore, RF is equal to R1 into AF minus 1. So you can assume the value of R1 as 1 to 10K or 10 to 20K based on the given value. Okay, so now you are going to calculate the value of RF, that is RF is equal to 12 into 10 to the power of 3 into 8 minus 1. So you'll get RF is equal to 84 kilo ohms. Okay. Next problem. Given for an op amp with R1 is equal to 4.7 kilo ohm. RF is equal to 47 kilo ohm. Determine the gain. Determine the gain where the gain should be positive. Since given the gain is positive, the circuit is the gain for the non-inverting operational amplifier is AF is 1 plus RF by R1. That is 1 plus RF is 47 kilo ohms. So normally it is better to assume the value of RF as 10 times. Okay, so it is 4.7, it is 47K. So 47 kilo divided by R1 is 4.7. So the closed loop gain is 11.